Hi, and welcome to Kima Surf Camp here in Bali. If you're looking for a surf trip here in Bali, then look no further than Kima. With over 24 years experience here on the island of gods, we are the very experts that will not only help you improve your surf skills, but also provide you with a holiday filled with great memories.
Welcome to our front office, where our helpful and friendly staff is available for you here every day from 7 a.m. until 11 p.m. Whether that will be on ideas for where to party, where to buy the toothpaste that you forgot at home, or finding the nearest tattoo studio, our team will give you all the tips that you need.
Every day here at Kima Surf, we provide you with 2 daily guided surf sessions, both 2 hours long. This will be 7 days a week, include your morning and afternoon session. All these sessions are included within the price of our rooms, so you don't need to worry. Here, our guides will take you to the waters, give you a spot introduction, and give you all the feedback and support to help you improve your surf skills.
Surf lessons are professional lessons that are different to guiding. A certified surf school will conduct these lessons. Kima recommends surf lessons for beginners who have never surfed before in order to get some first instructions, basic knowledge about the water, the waves, and a first training using the correct safety equipment and soft-top surfboards. Kima offers surf lessons in partnership with the surf school in Bali for all of our beginners. These lessons need to be booked separately because they're not included in the price of our rooms.
If you're a complete beginner to surfing, then we strongly recommend our Learn to Surf course. Here, we teach you the basics and ease you into our daily guided surf sessions that you can improve with lots of practice. If you chose the Learn to Surf program, then we'll get you onto our daily guided surf sessions by your second day. Again, if you've forgotten your board, no worries. Here at Kima Surf, we offer a board rental service for €10 per day. Also, life can throw us a wipeout, from a major snap to a minor ding. So our board insurance covers just that, from €10 per day or €50 given you want to cover yourself for a 21-day period. Our Learn to Surf program also includes the board, insurance and safety equipment, so you won't need to worry.
Welcome to our restaurant. We offer a fabulous healthy options menu for breakfast, lunch and dinner. We open at 7 a.m. every morning for breakfast, which will finish at 12 p.m. And the last orders for dinner are at 10:30 p.m. You will also find a free tea and coffee making facilities every day here from 6 a.m. till 6 p.m. to give you that extra kick to stay awake. Our swimming pool is the perfect spot for you to cool down in the heat and humidity of the Bali sun, or grab a sunbed and top up on your holiday tan. This is also the favorite spot for our surf guides to grab a guitar and jam to some of your favorite tunes during our free Friday night barbecue.
At the end of the restaurant, you can find our iPad. This is where you'll find our daily guided surf session planner and sign up to all the guided sessions. At Kima Surf, we pride ourselves as the only camp in Bali to offer this great technology. Once registered, you can also get the planner on your phone for your own convenience.
Up here is one of our chill out areas where you can relax after surfing hard all day, chat about the waves you caught with your new friends, or play a friendly game of billiards. You will also find the camp's free yoga sessions that take place here 6 days a week.
At Kima, we love bringing people together and meeting new friends. We hope that you become part of our family for a very long time. Also, we have lots of fun stuff going on around camp when we aren't surfing. We have Monday movie night, which is held up here, sunset bintangs on a Tuesday, and we hold a free barbecue at camp on a Friday. If you're the lucky one to stay with us at the end of the month, our final Friday, we hold a bonfire night at the beach. So, don't miss out. If the great atmosphere here at camp is still not enough for you and you'd like to get out and about, see the local area or learn something new, we offer you the chance to hire one of our cars and driver, or a scooter if you wanted some time to yourself to do some sightseeing. Alternatively, you can have use of one of our bicycles or hire a car or driver given it's a short journey for free. Well, how cool is that? Thank you for taking the time to watch and learn all you can about Kima Surf. We hope to welcome you to our camp very soon. At the end of this video, we'll include all the contact options you have available to you so you can get in touch with our customer satisfaction team given you have any further questions.
Terima kasih
and sampai jumpa.